Hi, I'm Bert Sperber. I am chairman and founder of ValleyCrest Companies. And Raul, we're here for our 9th year.
Hello, Bert.
Giving away trucks again.
Good. Hola, yo soy Raúl Díaz de León, aquí con Bert Sperber, el fundador y presidente ejecutivo de ValleyCrest Companies. Estamos aquí otra vez por el 9º año para regalar y sortear camionetas.
Hey, I am so excited. We're giving away our 47th truck today. It is something that is a dream. It's a whole fleet of trucks. This year we have completed this wonderful video on safety. I couldn't be happier. It's taken us 62 years to do this video. Safety is what pays for these trucks. So you guys have to be safe for us to continue giving these trucks away. And it's an exciting thing for us, and hopefully it's an exciting thing for you.
Estamos tan emocionados en poder regalar con este año 47 camionetas y esperamos que uno de ustedes sea el ganador. Es posible porque ustedes trabajan todos los días seguramente. Y ahora también estamos emocionados porque hemos creado un video de entrenamiento de cómo trabajar con seguridad. Es la primera vez en 62 años que hacemos algo así. Como dice Bert, muy emocionados con todo esto.
Raul,
Bert?
I think it's time to tell the guys to start drawing names and find out who the winners are.
Gracias. Ahora, como dice Bert, vamos a sortear las camionetas, a ver quién gana. Buena suerte a todos.
Buena suerte.
Hi, I'm Richard Sperber. This is our 9th year at our truck giveaway, and after today we'll be giving away over 47 trucks. Today there's over 3,000 employees eligible, so let's get started.
Hola y bienvenidos otra vez a nuestro sorteo de camionetas. Al terminar nuestro sorteo ahora, ya son 47 camionetas que hemos regalado. Hay más de 3,000 empleados que son elegibles este año y vamos a empezar con el sorteo. Buena suerte.
I'm Robert Crudup, president of ValleyCrest Tree Company, and I'll be drawing for Region 1. And the winner is from Region 1, ValleyCrest Landscape Development, Sacramento, Manuel Gonzalez.
Congratulations, Manuel. Good job. Good job.
Good afternoon. I'm Roger Zeno, president of ValleyCrest Landscape Maintenance, and I'm pulling for Region 2 today. And the winner is from ValleyCrest Landscape Maintenance, the Riverside branch, Alejandro Lerma Zea. Congratulations.
Siéntese adentro. Muy bueno.
Hi, I'm Bert Sperber. I am the founder of ValleyCrest, and I'm going to be rolling for Region 3. And who from Region 3 is going to be the winner? From Region 3, from ValleyCrest Landscape Maintenance in Charlotte, Augustine Lara Marcos.
I'm Greg Pishala. I'm president of ValleyCrest Golf Course Maintenance, and today I'll be drawing for Safety Region 4. Good luck. More. Find a good one. All right, in Region 4, the winner is from ValleyCrest Landscape Maintenance, Longboat Key, Jose Luis Yepes.
Hi, I'm Andy Mandel, CEO of ValleyCrest Landscape Development, and today I'm drawing for Region 5. And the winner from Region 5, ValleyCrest Landscape Maintenance, Central Jacksonville, Ricky E. Henderson.
So Ricky, first and foremost, how does it feel to win a brand new truck? Great. Great. Come on. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the winners, and we hope you enjoyed Safety Awareness Day. Thank you.